In the pot, I have 3 cups of water. I also added a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of oil. The oil is to prevent the macaroni from sticking together. So what I'm going to do now is to cover the pot and let it come to a boil. So remember, you add the salt to your taste. Here are the ingredients that I am going to be using. I have my Kraft box macaroni and cheese. I have 1.5 tablespoons of butter, and I have 2 tablespoons of flour. I also have 1 cup of milk. So if you like, you could do it from scratch. So you could have your macaroni and also your grated cheddar cheese. The water is boiling, so I'm going to add the macaroni. Give it a stir and cover the pot halfway, because remember, when it's boiling, because it is flour, it will boil over on the stove, so we don't want that. So I'm going to cover the pot halfway. When it starts boiling, let it boil according to the direction on the package. It's boiling for about 9 minutes now, so I'm going to test it. As you can see, it is cooked. So what I'm going to do now is to remove it from the boiling water. Here I added the butter, so I'm going to let it melt. Afterwards, I'm going to add the flour. But bear in mind, guys, it would be better if you add the flour to the milk first before you pour it into the pot. If you do it the way I am doing it, if you're not patient enough like me, then you can't bother to mix out the flour because it will get lumpy. So ensure that you add the flour to the milk first. So I'm going to whisk until it is smooth. At this point, I'm going to add the cheese. Bear in mind that if you want it to be cheesier, then you can always add some shredded cheese as well. After I am finished adding the cheese, I am going to add the macaroni, but I will do it gradually. So as you can see, my macaroni and cheese is looking lovely, so it is finished mixing. So what I'm going to do now is to move on to the next step. Here I have my muffin tin. You can use any muffin tin of your choice. To that I added some oil, so ensure that you grease it well. So now I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons to each. I will be using 2 muffin pans since I have some leftovers. I am finished filling the pan, so what I'm going to do now is to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Mac and cheese muffins are finished, and as you can see guys, they are looking so lovely. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family members. Also tap the subscribe button before you leave and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye bye.